session, we are going to be making this very cute critter bookmark. Now, in order to make this bookmark, we're going to use a jumbo craft stick. Now, I know sometimes on a video it's very difficult to understand sizes. So, to get some perspective, this is a normal craft stick, this is a large craft stick, and this is a jumbo craft stick. This craft stick is 8 inches long. So if you need to go get one, you have an idea of what you're looking for. We're also using a very large pom-pom. And as you can see, it fits to the top very nicely. All of these items are available in our handy dandy craft box. Let's get started. And we're going to add the eyes and the mouth. Now we're going to put the glue onto the pom-pom for the eyes in, put the mouth on, and we're going to leave that aside to dry for a moment. In the meantime, we're going to add our ears and our decorations. So I'm going to add some glue so that I can add what looks like ears. Anything that can stick out at the top can be ears, it could be leaves, anything like so. Okay, now we're going to add some decorations onto this. I'm going to use my glue again, and again I prefer to put the glue directly onto the stick rather than try to get glue on these tiny little decorations. Once we have those on, I'm just going to add a bit of glitter glue just for some more sparkle. You can never have enough sparkle, especially when you're making kids crafts. Now don't squeeze too hard, we don't want globs of glue, just want to add a little bit of sparkle. Okay, I'm now going to add my critter head to the bookmark, and I'm going to apply more glue at the top. I'm adding quite a lot of glue, and so this is going to take some time to dry. So it's one of those crafts you have to do and you have to leave it for a while to dry properly and then come back to it. But here you have it, your critter bookmark. Remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And of course, if you click the icon, you can get notifications for more of our fantastic crafts.